Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to share with you some of my laundry tips, and I'm also excited because this video is sponsored by Snuggle Super Care, so let's get started. Okay friends, my first tip has to do with the function within your laundry room when it comes to your laundry baskets, or should I say bags. You know, one thing that you can do to save space in your laundry room is to not use those big plastic baskets or, wicker baskets because they don't save space. And also, I find that they're just not as convenient. I love to use a bag. You all know my laundry bags if you've been with me a while. It's very convenient. It holds your loads. It really holds a lot. They have so many different styles on the market. And they're safer, especially if you're walking downstairs. They have the handle. When you're trying to carry those big baskets, that could be dangerous, and it's just too big, and then you have to try to store it. So, switching out to a laundry bag, you can put a hook on your wall in your laundry room and hang it up. It's just so much more efficient. Now, tip number 2 has to do with having a dry erase marker in your laundry room. I find that for Mike and I, this is very efficient especially because I may put a load in and he may then come put it in the dryer. We do laundry jointly, and especially, if you're a family that, you have multiple people doing the laundry, you can leave notes for each other that are important to that specific load right on the washing machine or the dryer, and it's easy to wipe right off. Especially if I put a shirt in that shouldn't go in the dryer, I can leave Mike a quick note. So it really is a great tool to have in your laundry room, and I tuck it right in the cabinet, so it works great. Okay friends, tip number 3 is to have a laundry regimen. Just like we have a facial regimen at night, we're having our whole routine to take care of our skin because we want it to kind of stay ageless and look beautiful and be fresh. The same with your laundry. And so let me take you through my new regimen, because this is one that I have started since connecting with Snuggle, and I have been loving everything about this line. And so it starts with putting your load of laundry in, using your detergent, and adding in the Snuggle Super Care scent shakes in your wash cycle, because this will protect against the fading and bleeding. You then also want to add the Snuggle Super Care liquid fabric softener, and you want to add this to the rinse cycle because this will protect against that wear and tear. It helps clothes hold their shape, and it protects against fading, which is really good for families and kids, so that is huge. And then you finish up in the dryer with the Snuggle Super Care sheets, and what this does is it cuts down on the static and the wrinkle reduction, so that is great to have as your finishing touch, and it smells absolutely amazing, and your laundry room smells absolutely amazing. But outside of the amazing smell, and it is truly amazing, I did learn from Snuggle that their new Snuggle Super Care products, it helps keeps our clothes looking newer longer compared to the leading value of a liquid detergent alone. And I also learned that their Super Care regimen uses enhanced fabric technology. It's like a dye transfer inhibitors, and it protects from color bleeding and chlorine scavengers to really protect from color fading, which is huge for a lot of households. So definitely set up your laundry regimen, and you can find these products at Walmart.com, Amazon.com, and also Target.com. So now let's move into tip number 4. But before we jump into the tip, if you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a part of the At Home with Nikki family. Now that that is taken care of, let's move on to the bowl. And many of you know about the bowl if you've been with me for a while. It's a bowl that I keep on the counter in my laundry room. If you don't have a counter, you definitely can use a little bucket. And it's only for the dirty dishcloths and dirty dish towels. Those are things that we're always trying to chuck somewhere every day just about. And you need a place to put them. And so this is really an essential part of your laundry room. And the reason I like using a bowl is because dirty dish towels and dirty dishcloths are a daily reality, and they need a home, and this gives them a beautiful home, and it's not a distraction. They're not laying over the counter or over the sink, and it really is helpful. Now let's move into tip number 5, which is the laundry backpack. Many of you know about this. I had set this up when Mike and I were going to go RVing, but this is so efficient to have if you live in an apartment and you may have to go to the basement to a laundry room. You can put all of your regimen in here. You can put your folding hangers in here. I have it laundry embroidered in here. It's just a simple backpack that I had embroidered. And then also, if you go to a laundromat, you can put everything in there, including your magazines and things to keep you entertained while you're waiting on your laundry to finish. So it's really an efficient way because you can put it on your back and you still have your hands free to carry your laundry bag. So this is just a great tool. I keep it hung in my laundry room. I have a hook in there, a beautiful hook that I hang it on, and so it really works great. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed my tips today, and I would like to thank Snuggle Super Care for sponsoring this video, and I'll put the link in the description box below, so definitely check out their product links below. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.